What's up? Today we decided to come out to play some football. But firstly, before you start playing, you have to change your football shoes. I have Nike Mercurial ones because the striker and professional football player has to be Mercurial.
Then you get to football and get to the football pitch.
Okay, so when we're at the pitch, so we have already played the game, as you see. Just I'm a bit exhausted, but to join the game itself, so you have to get divided into teams. Like there are 6 versus 6, I guess. I didn't count, to be honest. Okay, so when you're divided, you can join the game. Oh. That was the corner. But firstly, I have to tell you about the rules of football. While playing, if you want to get rid of the ball, you have to make a pass. If you want to get the ball to the net, you have to make a shoot. And if the ball comes into the net, it counts a goal. You can shout hooray or something. So the team which has scored the biggest number of goals wins. So that's it. We are ready to start playing. So now that you know all the football rules, we have our own top team and we're almost ready to play. Now it's our turn to get on the pitch. After such enervating and rough game, I feel a bit tired. I think that's the end. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.